Hello everyone. Once again, very good evening to everybody. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly, everyone. Just a quick yes or no. Just a very quick yes or no. Acha, sir, let's start with the session of 3D mensuration. So again, it's a practice session. We'll do a little higher level questions as always. So this is your little harder level questions. Clear, sir? So mostly all the questions are PYQs of different examinations. Chalo, let's jump right in. Let's jump right in, sir. Acha, first of all, you can scan this QR to join the Telegram group. Sir, first question is this. Again, I'll give you a question, give you some time, and then we'll solve it together. Sir, I'll give you 1 minute to try and solve it together. So there is a problem that's happening with my laptop. Let me just say this up front. It's not charging. So I can only take the class till the charge lasts. I don't know what happened here. I have to check. It's just failed charging. Chalo, first question right in front of you guys. Please solve. Please solve this, sir. First question right in front of you guys. Chalo, sir. Last 10 seconds. Need answers. Sir, first is given like this. Achha. Sir, volume of a metallic cylindrical pipe is given. Volume. Length is given. Length means this is your, in the case of like cylinder, it is considered as height only. External radius is given to you. Now, in case of a hollow cylinder, meaning it's external internal radius, meaning it's a hollow cylinder. So, hollow cylinder, the volume is pi r square minus r square into h, sir. Now, that is given to you as 7480, sir. So, it's a very simple question actually. 22 by 7, capital R square is 9. Sorry, capital R is 9, so 9 square is this. Into height is, sir, 1.4 meter. Achha. Everything else is in centimeter. So I have to convert this into centimeter. So meter to centimeter will be, sir, achha, if you guys don't know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, this is very basic, you should know. So 1.4 into 100 will be 140, that is 7480. 0, 0 gone, 11 twos are this, 11 6 are 6, like 66, 8s are this. So again, 2, this is 34. I don't think we can do anything apart from this. 2, this is 17, sir. So r square becomes 81 minus 17. So 80 minus 16, like sir, 64. So similarly, r becomes 8, sir. Very simple. So inner radius is this. R is 8. So again, they are asking the thickness. So thickness will be how much, sir? Sir, I know the outer radius, I know the inner radius. So this thickness will be 1 centimeter, option number 1. Option number 1 is 100% your correct answers. Very simple. Very simple, sir. First question, I've kept it a little easy. Chalo, let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one, sir. Chalo, everybody. I'll give you a minute's time. Meanwhile, I'll just check if I can get it started. I don't know why this charging is not going on. Let me run some diagnostics. Acha. It's now impossible for me to figure out on the go. I have to give it some time and check. Acha, sir. What about this? Cylinder of radius this and height is just fits another cylinder completely with their axis perpendicular. Meaning, sir, if one cylinder is like this, there is another cylinder which looks something like this. There is another cylinder like this. They are having perpendicular axis. Achha. They are asking what? Chalo, thoda isko, let me just make it a little bigger and with another color. This is how the second cylinder looks. Now what they're saying? Cylinder of radius this and height this. Achha. It fits just inside this. What is the radius of the second cylinder? So the another cylinder completely with their axis. So again, the smaller cylinder just fits into the bigger cylinder, and they are asking you to find the radius of the bigger cylinder, right? Achha. This cylinder has a radius of 4.5. This cylinder has, so again, if I take it, this is 4.5, sir, and they are asking us to find this radius. And this height, this length is what? How much? 12 centimeter. So this will be half. Think about the circle problem. So this is 6 and this is 4.5. So this radius of the bigger cylinder will be nothing but root over of 6 square plus 4.5 square. And actually this is a Pythagorean triplet. You see, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Multiply each and every one with 1.5. So 3 into 1.5 gives you 4.5. This gives you 6. This gives you 7.5. So if you are doing calculations with these two, you will get your answer as 7.5 centimeter. So your option is option number D, your answer. Please understand, this particular diagram looks a little tricky, or the question looks a little tricky because of the diagram, but again, it is not difficult at all. It is not difficult at all, sir. You cannot say this is very difficult. Clear, sir? Simple. Next one, please. Let's do the next one, sir. Let's do the next one. Chalo jaldi. Let's do the next one. Third question, sir. Good question. Good one. A little calculative, you can say. Next one. Slant height and radius of a right circular cone are in this ratio. Sir, Pythagorean triplet I can see. Sir, slant height is given. L is 29. Whatever, x. Sir, then radius is given as 20. X. So height must be 21, sir. 20, 21 and 29. This is a Pythagorean triplet. Everyone must know this. Now, they are saying the volume is this, radius you figure out. Sir, volume will be 1/3 pi. Pi, I'll not put the value because pi will cancel. 1/3 pi. Sorry, sir. Kya pata? Into r square h. R is 20. 20 square is 400x square. Into h is 21x. That is given to you as 4838.4 pi. First things first, pi cancels. Get rid of this by 10. Okay. Acha. 3 7s are this. So 400 into 7, x square and x is x cube, is 48384 by 10, sir. Acha. Let's calculate 7 se. 6 7s are 42, 7 9s are this, 12s are this directly. 4 से जाएगा सर, 4 से तो जाना चाहिए. So 4 से, this is 100, 4 17s are 68, 4 2s are this, 4 8s are this, 1728. Yeah, now it's a good value. 1728 by 110, meaning sir 1000. You see why I have stopped here? Because I have figured out a cube. 1728, I know that's 12 cubes, sir. So x cube is this. So x must be how much? 12 by 10. So which is 1.2, sir. They're asking what is the radius? So radius will be, sir, radius will be 20 into 1.2, which will be 24 centimeters, sir. Option number B. Option number B, 100% is your correct answer. A little calculation, nothing very difficult about this. Nobody can say, sir, this is very weird, very difficult, very anything. Next one, please, sir. Next one, question number 4. Next one, please, sir. Next one. चलो 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 जल्दी बनाओ. The internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical bowl are given. If it is melted and casted into solid cylinder of this, what will be the height of the cylinder? So again, two diagrams. These type of questions were asked very frequently last year. Internal and external given of a hemisphere, hollow hemisphere. So the volume will be constant, sir, if it is melted and recasted. Melted and recasted meaning this is volume equal. 2/3 of pi r cube minus r cube. So this is 10 cube minus 6 cube is equal to. Acha, sorry, not 10 cube, 6 cube. Sir, they have given us diameters. These are diameters, sir. So again, radius will be then half 10 by 2, 5, and this is 3 cubes, sir. That will be pi r square h. So solid cylinder diameter is again 14. So radius is 7 into h. They are asking the height. Sir, pi cancels. 2 by 3 into. This is 125 minus 27. 98, I guess. Is equal to 49h. 49 twos are this. So h becomes 4 upon 3, which is nothing but 1.33 centimeters. Sir, option number B is the answer. Option number B is most definitely your correct answer. Now, so you might have this question, sir. When we solve the questions in like from books, we don't get these level of questions. Maybe hardly couple of questions we find. So where to find those questions? Let me just give you one simple logic. So you can come to our website and this SSC courses section, you will find something called SSC Super Practice. You just go into this quant. Let's say you want to solve 3D mensuration question. Just scroll, you will get questions from every topic. So just scroll it down. 3D mensuration 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. I'm just randomly opening one. So again, level 1. Now you can see level 1, level 2, level 3. Again, you want to solve harder questions. Go into level 3, start the test. You see, you will have the questions right here. So you can attempt these total. There are 20 questions. You can attempt this 20 question test and kind of move on to the next one. So this is a very good way of practicing some good level questions. And also please understand, sir, not only this, you can go for past year questions, most repetitive question, revision test, speed improvement test. You can do everything. So again, please take the advantage of this. Now, let's come back to our question. Chalo, sir. Next one, let's do. Let's do next one. Is this one. Again, I've taken the questions from there. Chalo, chalo, chalo. The ratio of total surface area and volume of a sphere is given. The sphere is melted to form smaller spheres of equal size. Smaller spheres of equal size. How much charge is there? Yeah. Achha, total surface area and volume, the ratio given. This radius of each small sphere is 1/6 of the radius of the large sphere. What is the sum of curved surface area of all the small spheres? Chalo. So ratio of total surface area and volume is given. So total surface area of any sphere is 4 pi r square and volume is 4/3 pi r cube, sir. This ratio is 1/7. Sir, 4 pi cancels and r square r cube cancels. So again, this is r only. So r becomes 7 into 3, 21 centimeters from here. radius of the sphere. Now they are asking the smaller spheres. So their radius will be, their radius, smaller spheres. Their radius will be, sir, 1/6 of the radius of this. So 21, R will be 21 by 6. 3 2s, 3 7s. So it will be 7 by 2 centimeters. Right? Now they are asking the sphere is melted to form small spheres of this size. The radius, what is the sum? So first I need how many smaller spheres I'll get. Sir, smaller spheres, sir, volume will be equal 4/3 pi r cube. R cube is 21 cube. That will be equal to smaller spheres 4/3 pi. Sir, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Because that's the volume of one, and into, let's say there are n such spheres. So 4/3 pi gone. 7 7 7. This is 3 3 3. So n will be 216. 6 cube. 3 into 2 3 into 2 3 into 2. So we'll get this many like smaller spheres. Now sum of all the curved surface area. Each sphere will have a curved surface area of 4 into pi r square 22 by 7 into r square. R square will be what? R square, R is 7 by 2 in this case of smaller spheres. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into, sir, how many? Into 216. That's how you will figure it out. This 2 2 4 gone. So we will be having 216 into 22 into 7, sir. Check the options. Let's see. Sir, 7 2s are 14, 4 6 are 24. Option number B or D? Okay, sir, I cannot. So again, you can use the unit digit or the digital sum if you don't want to multiply. Let's use that. 639. So again, this is 9. 9 is, I'll need to find. 639, not this. 639, 4269. Sir, this is your answer, sir. This is your answer. Option number D, sir. I just avoided the whole calculation using digital sum. I've used digital sum technique here to figure out the answer. Otherwise, I had to multiply. That I don't want to do. I know unit digit is option B or option D. Now use the digital sum. Clear, everybody? Clear, sir? Very simple stuff. Very, very simple stuff. Let's do the next one. Let's do question number 6, sir. The next one, please. Jaldi banao, sir. Jaldi banao. A sphere of maximum volume is cut out from a solid hemisphere. Again, this is a very good question. Looks a little tricky. The question looks a little tricky, sir. Sir, this is a sphere which has been cut out from a hemisphere. This is kind of the diagram. This is your diagram. Like, I've tried my best. It's not perfect, but again, it will work. Sir, please understand, sir, if this is your radius of the bigger hemisphere, so this will be, sir, R equal to, if this is R, sir, the smaller sphere radius, so R equal to 2R. You see, this is the diameter of the big sphere and this is the radius of the small hemisphere. So radius of the hemisphere is equal to diameter of the bigger sphere or the sphere. So from there I'll get something, sir. Ratio of the volume of the sphere to that of the remaining solid. Sir, volume of the sphere will be 4/3 pi r cube. R is small r because it's a bigger sphere. Ratio of this with what? With the remaining solid. Remaining solid will be, sir, the whole hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Here r is 2r, capital R, minus the volume of this 4/3 of pi small r cube. So by 3 pi by 3 pi by 3 pi r cube r cube r cube gone. So we are left with 4 here. This is 2 and this is 2 cube is 8, sir. So 8 into 2, 16 minus, sir, 4. So 4 is to 12, or you will get 1 is to 3 as the correct answer. Option number B. Again, everything here was about you being able to draw the diagram, understand what they are talking about, and that's all. Again, these type of questions have been repeated multiple times in the last year's examination. Last year, 3D mensuration was the most important topic of the entire syllabus if you go by number of questions asked. More than 150 questions were asked only from this topic, including all 46 shifts. Sir, seventh question, I've given you a pyramid question, a little tricky pyramid question, not your basic volume related question. Please solve, sir. Please solve this, sir. I'll give you a minute's time. Chalo, 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 chalo. Answer, sir. Answer, answer, answer. Any answers? Time is up. Time is up, sir. Chalo, chalo, chalo. How to solve? A pyramid has a square base whose side is 8, the side of the square, the base. Height is also given, total surface area. So total surface area is not dependent on height. We need slant height. We need slant height, sir. So slant height, how to find? Again, if you want, let me just draw a very quick diagram. This is how a pyramid looks. This is how a pyramid looks, sir. Now, what they have given you? Sir, height is given. Sorry. But I need what? I need this slant height. Let me draw it normally. So this is my slant height, sir. This is the slant height I need. Sir, how can I figure that out? Please understand, everybody. This is half of base. Sir, base is 8, so this is 4, sir. Height is also given as 16, sir. So slant height will be root over of 16 square plus 4 square. So 256 plus 16, sir, which is root over of 272. 272. Let's try this. 136. 68, sir. This is 34, 17. So we are getting 4 2s, meaning 4 root 17 I am getting, sir. This is your slant height, sir. This is your slant height. Okay. So again, very basic stuff. Looking at this, sir, only root 17 can be the answer, option A. Only one option has root 17. This is one key thing. But still, I'll show you the whole thing. So total surface area is area of the base, which is 16 square. Oh, sorry, 16 square. Sorry, 8 square. My mistake. Which is 8 square, sir. Side is 8. The base is the square. Plus, sir, half into. Either you can use the formula or you can do normally. It's normally get this. That way you will understand the formula as well. Sir, take this triangle. Sir, all 4 triangles are similar. One is to this side, one is to this side, and one is to the behind side. Like that is to behind. So now, if I can figure out the area of this particular thing, this particular triangle, this one. So into 4 will give me total. So let's figure it out. Sir, half into triangle area will be half into base is this, that is nothing but 8. This is the base, sir, square. Into, sir, slant height is the height of the triangle. Slant height is 4 root 17. This is for 1 into 4 because there are 4 such triangles. Plus, sir, 8 square 64. That will be your answer. So again 64. Sir, 4 8s are 32. 64 will go common. 1 plus root 17 is the correct answer. You see, from the get-go, we knew this has to be the answer because root 17 is there in only one option, sir. There is no other option available. There is no other option available, sir. Clear, everybody? Very, 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 very simple question. Very simple. Nothing very difficult about this. Next one then, sir. This is a brilliant question. Brilliant. Give 5 stars to this. Tier 2 question, this one. That's why it is so good. Pyramid, but with a little twist. Twisting pyramid. First, you read the question, everyone. Everybody, please read it properly. A regular triangular pyramid is cut by 2 planes which are parallel to its base. The plane trisects the altitude of the pyramid. Meaning, sir. Sir, let me draw this a little properly, or at least let me try this. Sir, try to understand. This is how the pyramid looks. This is how the pyramid looks, everyone. Now what they have done, they have taken two parallel planes. Meaning, sorry. They have taken a parallel plane like this. This is one parallel plane. Again, sir, they have taken another parallel plane. Which is something like this. Sir, somewhere like this. Are you guys getting my point, everyone? Again, if you want me to kind of help you a little bit further, sir, this is how it looks. So there are two parallel planes which have trisected this. Meaning, sir, if I just draw the altitude, sir, it will look, rather let me take a different color like this. So this will be, sir, this part, or rather I should mark this part, and this part. So if this is one part, sir, this is 2 parts, and this is, sir, 3 parts, because it's getting trisected. So every part is 1 each. 1, 1, 1. So 1, then total is 2, then the total is 3. That is how I'm thinking. Now they are asking, the planes trisect this, or volume of the top, middle, and the bottom parts are V1, V2, V3. Volume of the top V1 is to V2 is to V3. Please understand, everything is symmetrical. So I can say volume will be cube of this. So I can write this will be 1 cube is to 2 cube is to 3 cubes, sir. So meaning this parts will be 1 is to 8 is to 27, sir. Correct? Sorry, this is not V1, V2, V3. Sorry, my mistake. These are the volume of this part, then this whole part. So this part is 1, so this whole part is 8, and the total part is 27. So V1 will be how much, sir? V1 will be 1 only, this part. V2 will be how much, sir? So total is 8 and this part is 1. So this part will be 8 minus 1, 7. And sir, V3 will be how much, sir? So total is 27 as I found, minus this much is 8. So if you subtract, this will give you how much? 27, 8, 19. So V1 is to V2 is to V3 will be 1 is to 7 is to 19. It is a very, 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 very good question. 1, 7, 19. Option D, sir. This is a question from mains. This is a question from mains, a brilliant question. If you don't know how to approach it properly, you will struggle, sir. You will struggle with this question. Right? Chalo, sir. Next. Next one is a frustrum question. Chalo, jaldi. Frustrum with a bucket cylinder. Frustrum with cylinder, sir. Chalo. Everyone, very quickly. I need answers. Frustrum with cylinder, sir. Little tricky, but you can. You can actually do this. 35 centimeter high bucket in the form of a frustrum. So this is the height of the frustrum. Radius of both the radius R1, R2 given. One is 12, another is 18. Achha. First things first. So water is like poured from this bucket to a cylindrical drum. What will be the height of the water? So volume equal to volume we need to do. So frustrum volume is 1/3 into. Achha, 1/3 pi likhna hai. Pi into. Sir, R1 square plus R2 square plus this. So again, radius are given. So it is 18 square plus 12 square plus 18 into 12. 18 into 12 is 216, na? 18, 180, 36. Yes, sir. Absolutely. That should be equal to, sorry, into height. Into height is how much? Height is 35. That should be equal to pi r square h. Radius is 20, so it is 20 into 20 into 8, sir. Let's calculate, sir. Pi gone. 1/3, this will cancel. So, just a second, calculate. 216,144, 18 square is, sir. देखो मैं भूल गया 324. 10, 14, 1, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8. Answer, 3, 2, 5, 6, 684. Is equal to h into 20 into 20. Achha, calculations are like that only. Chalo, theek hai. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are this. 5 7s are this, 5 4s are this. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are this. So age becomes 57 by 20, sir. 57 by 2 will be how much, sir? So 28.5 by sir 10, meaning 2.85 I'm getting. एक सेकेंड क्या गड़बड़ हुआ? एक सेकेंड sir, have missed some. There is, sir, 7 I missed. So sorry, sir. So sorry. You see, there was another 7 here. This 7 I missed. The answer will be 57 into 7 by 20. That's what it is. Sir, 57 into 7. What is the best way of doing this? 5 7s are 350 and sir 49. So this is 399 by 20. So by 2 if you do, this will be, sir, 19 2s are 38 and 19, meaning, sir, 8. 19 point something. 19 point, option D is the answer. Option D is the only possible answer, sir. Right? So this is how we got to the answer. We had to do a couple of lines calculation at the end. But again, that's quite expected. That is quite expected, sir. Next one, please, sir. A field roller in the shape of a cylinder has diameter this speed given. Okay, so good questions. It is a very good question. Try to do this first, sir. Try to do this, everyone. Jaldi se. Try to do this, sir. Let's see if we can figure it out. Field roller in the shape of a cylinder has a diameter of 1 meter and length is given 1 whole 5 by 4 meters. Right? Let's take this as 5 by 4 meters. If the speed at which the roller rolls is 14 revolutions per minute, maximum area in 1 hour. Sir, how many revolutions in 1 hour, sir? 14 revolutions into 60 minutes. Sir, 840 revolutions. 840 revs I'll get. Now, every revolution, how much area will be rolled? So the like kind of the cross section area, or sorry, the curved surface area. So curved surface area of any roller or any cylinder is 2 pi r each. So 2 into pi, r is what, sir? Diameter is 1, so radius will be 1 by 2 into h is 5 by 4. Into, sir, how many revolutions? 840. So this will be my correct answer. So let's do this. 2 gone, 7 12s are this. 4 says, so this is 11, this is 60. 300 into 11, sir. So 3300. That's your correct answer. Option number D, sir. That is your correct answer, which is option number D, sir. Clear, everyone? Very, 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 very simple stuff. Very simple stuff. And that will then be all for this particular class. I wanted to solve 10 very good quality questions, and we have been able to solve that. So again, do practice these questions, and if you have any queries at all about understanding anything at all, feel free to ask me. Feel free to use the comment section for that. Again, I'll see you guys then in next week. Till then, please take care and bye-bye from my end. And definitely, if you have loved the session, please do hit the like. That gives the session a little more reach. Thank you. Take care and do check out the SSC Super Practice, which I've shown you in there. So again, that will be very useful. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.